Let's be real here for a second. Every Textdrip user runs into the same exact problem. The leads come in, the conversation starts, and then boom, nothing. Your prospects, they tend to ghost you. Your follow-ups, they fall through the cracks, and then you are actually the one stuck following up manually. Now, this is exactly what we've solved. We're introducing AutoQualify AI, your 24-hour AI assistant that engages, qualifies, follows up, and even books appointments for you automatically. The best part is that you can get fully set up in just 5 easy steps. So let's go ahead and walk through them together.
And connect your auto qualifying AI. You want to make sure that your Textdrip account is completely set up with campaigns. This is really important for your follow-ups and for the automation to work properly. Now let's go ahead and get started. To get started, we're going to go over here and we're going to go under to integrations. From integrations, we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to go to auto qualify AI. Now, you're going to go ahead and click where it says learn more. That's going to take you to the sign up page. This, you're going to go ahead and start your free trial. You're going to put in your name, email, password, your phone number. You're going to select whether or not you are a U.S. health advisor and then confirm. Once you confirm, then this is how it's going to start. Now, once you go ahead and get signed up, it's going to take you for the 5-step sign up process. It's really easy. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and connect your Textdrip account. Disconnect here, allow access, and that's it. Now, step 2. So let me explain to you how this actually works. So step 2 is all about tags and campaigns. So a quick breakdown. Tags are just labels that help you to organize contacts based on when they actually stop responding. This is especially helpful to track your leads so you can see exactly where they are on the qualifying process. Now, next we have the campaigns. Now, these campaigns are for automated follow-ups. This is only sent out to your customers if a contact stopped responding. Then it can automatically be added into a campaign that you actually select here. Now, how the bot flow works is a normal process. It's going to ask for age, zip, it's going to send a quote, and then go ahead and book the appointment. Now, if you're somebody that does pre-existing questions, you don't have to do anything here. It's already selected for you. However, if you do not ask pre-existing questions, you can turn this off at any time. Now, once you add in your tags and campaigns, then you can scroll down to the bottom and click on where it says save and continue. Now, here's some important notes. All fields here are completely optional, but we strongly recommend setting up the campaigns because once the bot responds, it stops. Therefore, no other follow-ups will actually be sent unless you assign them to a follow-up campaign. Example, if a lead replies about a condition, a notification will be sent out to your Discord server asking for your actual approval. Now, next we have your agent information. Really simple. Just type in your name, put in a callback number. This is going to actually show up for your customers. Select your time zone, and then go ahead and create a calendar event title. It can be something very simple. Just put in your customer name and yours, and you're able to see the name of the event here and see a nice little preview. Save and continue. Now, next we're going to connect your Google Calendar. Select here, choose your account, continue, and you're all set. I have one more last step we want to go ahead and go through. Discord. This is the last step in the process. Now, why Discord? Well, Discord, this is you'll actually receive real-time notifications. So this is a really cool feature because you'll be able to get new appointments booked. You'll be able to see any full conversation transcript. So this is a really good opportunity to see full details before your actual calls. So you have 2 different options here. You can see select yes, you have a dedicated server, or no, show me how to make one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make one if you don't have it. So we're going to select here. We're going to go into our Discord. From here, we're going to click on the pencil icon. We're going to create my own for me and my friends. And then let's go ahead and we can just change this to auto qualify and then click on create. Now, once you do that, you go back to auto qualify AI, select here, add bot. It's going to automatically connect it. Just make sure you have the correct server here. Click on continue. Authorize it, make sure that you're human, and it's setting up everything automatically for you. And that's it. Those are your 5 steps. So next, you want to go ahead and activate the bot. Now, once you activate your bot, you're all set. Now, the great thing about this is that you can actually see your bot in action here at the bottom. It's going to tell you all about AutoQualify AI. However, I do want to go over a couple key details about you too. I think could be very, very helpful. So After you activate your bot, we're going to go up here to where it says bot settings. And let's just go through a couple of different bot settings. So under general, you're able to see your agent information that you actually set up. You can also set up your quotes here too as well. Next, you have your hours. So these are for your actual working hours, but the bot will actually respond back to your customers 24/7, even if you're offline. Next, you have your messages here. Now, these are going to be messages sent on the conversation stage. This is going to be based on individual type. For an example, if the customer says, I need insurance for me and my wife, the bot is going to detect a couple, ask agent zip code, pre-existing questions if you haven't, then go ahead and quote prices. And these are some examples of the messages that are going to be sent out. These can always be modified, deleted, or you can always add your own by clicking here where it says add text message. Now, next, you also have your reminders. Now, the reminders, these are just going to be when you want the reminders to go out for your actual customers. So you can have a morning reminder, a primary reminder, or right before the actual appointment here too. And last but not least will be the analytics. Now, the analytics, you're going to also be able to see this too on your actual Textdrip account. Now, if you want more information about the different add-on features or subscription prices, you will have to reach out directly to AutoQualify AI. Now, the last thing I also want to go over with you guys too is that if you ever want to take over a conversation with your customers inside of Textdrip, you can always add what we call is a human tag. This stops the bot instantly and allows you to actually take control. So you don't have to add a tag for anything else. However, only for that human tag if you would like to take over the conversation. If you don't add a tag, both you and the bot will respond back to that customer, causing duplicate messages. Now, once your account is connected, all previous conversations will automatically get tagged to avoid any confusion. The bot will only apply to new conversations going forward. For more details about AutoQualify AI, you can always visit them at AutoQualifyAI.com.